What's up guys, Keen here and welcome back to another video. So you all know fidget spinners are a big thing at the moment. So I thought I'd show you a few ways to make your own fidget spinners. All you need is a bearing and a mould. I'm going to show you how to make the moulds and I'm going to show you how to make a couple of pretty cool fidget spinners. I'm just going to show you how to make the mould to make your new fidget spinner. So here's the finished product, your fidget spinner. You also want another piece the same size to put on the back, so whatever you're putting into it, it keeps it there. So now I'm going to start showing you a few fidget spinners that I've made. So let's get started. The first one I'm going to show you how to do is a slime one. You can buy slime anywhere, you can make it. I'll leave a link down in the description how to make it if you want to. So using the mould we made, which I showed you there a couple of minutes ago, you're going to want to make a hole in the centre, stick a pencil or whatever, or something that can fit the bearing in, so it keeps it right in the middle. So we're going to put the slime around the bearing now. Next step is put it into a freezer and leave it for about 2 to 3 hours until it hardens up. I could take it out right now, but I'd only get about one spin until it fall apart. So put it in the freezer and we've got the final product of the slime fidget spinner. Pretty cool, it worked really well. It doesn't spin as well as a proper one, but it still works. So on to the next one. All you're going to need for this one is a fidget spinner and loom bands. So let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how to make another fidget spinner. So all you need is the mould we used for the slime, end of a pencil, a bearing, and starbursts. So let's get started. Invincible. Let the starburst fidget spinner set, let it get hardened before I start spinning. The spinner is done now. Spins actually really well, and it's edible, so just take it. But now it's from part. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos. Press that bell notification button so you'll be the first to come to my video. And I'll see you in the next one.